Alright guys, we just get down in Melbourne here. I'm by my brother-in-law. He lives over here. So we're gonna go check him out and then we'll head off to somewhere else. Alright, so let's see what these guys doing. Well, I guess they're packing up wood. So you're gonna grab some bushes and bring it along. So the city's picked this up?
Every Tuesday.
Alright guys, so let's see what's at the back here. So my brother-in-law, he grayed down all these. This was all like bushes and he grayed them down. So he get the land a little wider. So I guess he's going to be planting some vegetables here. Which is like a Florida thing, you know, everybody do their planting in Florida. It's pretty cool. Got a little canal there. Don't think there's any fishes in there, but this is what it is down in Florida. Said 2 years ago, all empty land. All empty land 2 years ago. Builder came in, the body's over, and start to build. And every single one of those condos is occupied. Every single one of them. I got no idea about pricing, but it's occupied. Pretty quiet and nice. That's his backyard over there. Nice spot to get a four-wheeler out here. Maybe when I move to Florida, I'll get a four-wheeler and come down at the back here. There we go. Very nice, very nice. I think it took less than 2 years for these people to complete this little complex here. So this area here is Melbourne, Florida. Now there's pretty nice, pretty nice. That's a nice apartment right there. Taking the views. Alright guys, we're down here picking some wild oranges. So let's see what it's all about. Look at this. Ow! Ooh! Nah, I'm good. We're gonna be careful. I don't know where she's going, but we shall see. This is Florida life. Can't get better than this. Look at this. Oranges. Look at this. Oranges. Picking oranges. Where's this girl? I don't know. She's all the way at the back there. I gotta taste it and see how it is. Don't know if it's sweet or if it's sour. But we shall see. So this guy decided to climb the tree and shake the tree so the oranges can fall. There we go. Let me go pick these. Let's do this. Let's pick some oranges. Look at this. Got one there, right? I guess she's FaceTiming someone. She's FaceTiming someone from New York, showing them what they're missing in Florida. Beautiful nature. Let me bring it out here. There you go, this way. Look at the bucket, look. Oranges, a whole bucket of oranges. And these are the farmers at the back. They went and picked their oranges. We came over the bridge that way, so that's a little canal. Don't think there's any fishes in there, but who knows. Alright guys, here's the oranges. It's a whole bucket of orange, so we're gonna try it, see if it's sweet, sour, whatever it is. Alright, let's try this. Mm. Maybe some salt and pepper makes it works. Alright, too sour for me. At least if you got a cold, I should be able to take it away, but it's too sour. Alright guys, so we stopped by our friend home here. It's not too far from where we were staying. So I'm just gonna give you a tour of his yard. This is a mango tree, as you can see. It will be soon here. The mangoes will be here soon. What is this?
Lemon. This tree here, this is lemon.
They said this is neem leaf.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get some cane juice right now. What is this? Estate cane? You beat the cane. Here we go. Let's see this operation here. Let's see this operation. There we go.
Actually juicy.
There's a lot of pulp.
Here we go. Where's the screen it?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
I got screen them.
Came our friend and we got cane juice. And we got guava. Look at this. This is the Florida life. Cane juice and guava. Alright, so we're at Melbourne Beach. We're finishing the day off here at Melbourne Beach. We just came for a little drive, that's all. But as of now, we're signing off. End of our first day of vacation. So, peace out, good people, and I'll see you tomorrow.